family!
My name is Elysia English.
I'm Philip English.
I'm Dayton English.
And I'm Chase English.
Welcome back to our channel. The sun is shining today, and so the four of us are tackling projects on the camper.
Let's go. It's another gorgeous day outside here, and we're gonna tackle the camper and get a lot of the outside stuff that we need to get done today.
We're so thankful that the sun is shining and that we have probably another 2 days of nothing but sunshine. And so today, the boys and I are gonna tackle a bunch of the exterior of the camper, and Philip's gonna start that dreaded bathroom job, making sure that since we have 5 days of rain ahead of us next week, that we're not having any additional water coming in. So he's gonna get himself working in the bathroom, and I'm gonna head outside with the kids and get rolling this camper. So fun. We only want to do a light first coat. It is windy, so we don't want it to go against the house. See how Mom's just doing really light? Why don't you move it and I'll push the trigger down for you. Okay, ready? Because your finger's not quite strong. Okay, ready? You move it where it needs to go, okay? Teamwork. Good job. Okay, now let's move down a little bit because... Okay, down a little bit more. We don't want to get the same areas too many times. Good job. Okay, now we can do this middle part with the regular paint, but I wanted to get the middle with the black. Chase is up on the roof helping Dad with the bathroom. Climbed up the ladder to get up there. You getting all the tar off, Chase? Or are you just observing?
I'm working on the trailer. I'm gonna paint the bottom black first, then the top white.
Yeah, don't worry about getting too close to the black, to the paint tape, because I'll do that with the brush. Good job. All my boys working on the camper today. Go team.
It's really fun.
It's really fun.
Hard.
And hard. You're doing a great job. You can see you painted your own camper. Our McNaughton's delivery to drop off some supplies is here. McNaughton's Home Hardware just dropped off some more of our 1/4-inch plywood that we need and some supplies so that we can keep working on the bathroom. Philip is up on the roof, and so it was perfect timing to be able to get some new supplies. So we're so thankful that we can keep our social distancing and still get some supplies, keeping everybody safe. We can keep working on our camper. Chase is working away today. After working on the camper yesterday, we stayed up late last night to get the rest of this wall stenciled. I think it looks amazing. Chase is just doing some touch-ups where the stencil went a little bit over on the white trim and along the ceiling space, and then we'll be able to tape it all off to be able to do the next spots now that we're getting some more materials dropped off so we can keep working on projects for the camper. But I'm really thrilled with the way that it turned out. Doing a good job, Chase. He's focusing.
I'm in the dreaded bathroom, and in order to replace the ceiling fan above me, I'm going to have to remove all of these screws so I can put a new joist across, and then I can put a couple joists to support the ceiling fan. So in order to do that, I have to go on the roof and remove the tar. So I've been up on the roof picking apart away this tar and whatever sealer they have on this steel where the two steel pieces meet. And in order to seal it properly, I'm gonna have to take these screws out so I can put a new joist on the inside. So let's see if I can get these off. Yay, now with all the screws out and the light shining through, I can now make my support beams go across, but I only have 2x4s, so I'm gonna rip those in half and make my support for the fan, screw my fan in, and then start rolling the ceiling.
The next thing we're gonna do is cut some support braces for the ceiling of the bathroom here so we can get all that attached back up. And then Philip's gonna build a box that the fan's gonna be able to go to surround it. We should have got a new measuring tape when we ordered today.
Right? What were we thinking? We did everything else right.
Get real close to the camera.
Hey. We edit that?
Edit that out. First day of the new drill.
Might be. So now that I have my main support beams up here, I can now box in the fan. So I'm going to measure from this support beam to this support beam, and then once I have these two in, then I'm gonna make these ones across.
And then once you get those in, then what do you do from the top? Then you go on the
Then I
roof
can
and
clean
seal it?
the fan up and then seal it and then screw it down.
Perfect.
Yeah.
No more raining. Chase did a great job edging the edges of this window frame, and that's just the first coat. So he's gonna go over and do a second coat. And then of course across the top here where you see that white bar, that's gonna get freshly painted white. The stencil went over just a little bit to make sure I could get it as close to the ceiling as possible. And then when we get this all painted on this side, we will have a white trim that will go all the way around the door that will cover some of the edges there. It's gonna look really seamless when we're done. And then I think we'll do a very thin line of white caulking all the way around the window. It's gonna look really nice. So we've taped off the windows on the outside there to start doing the exterior white on this side. And Chase and I are working on painting the outside of the camper black. You're almost done the first coat of black on the other three sides of the camper. Chase and I have been working really hard today to try to get all this black done for the first coat. Use a screwdriver instead of a pencil. Or I can grab the miter saw even. Just a circular.
So I'm prepping the top of the camper so we can paint it white.
Don't go down the black, you turkey. You're only painting the top white. Ideally today, I wanted to get the whole white also rolled around the top, just like we did on that far right side there. But Chase and I just got all the black done. There was so much stuff to scrape off that we didn't get to the white all on the top. We did start prepping some of the windows. So we have all the sides of the camper now black, and we're gonna start working on the top white. Hopefully we can get to that tomorrow. Whew.
Wow, what a day.
I think we both need a bit of a nap today. All four of us spent about 8 hours outside today, in and out of the camper, getting more of the exterior painted, taping off windows, and getting ready for the upper parts of the exterior. We got a bunch of trim work done on the interior, a little bit more white painting, which is seemingly going to be a job that's going to take about 2 weeks just to get some more of the interior white painted. And then Philip worked today for a good 4 or 5 hours just on scraping the things that need to be scraped off the ceiling or the upper roof of the camper to be able to get ready to do the ceiling.
There's just so much tar and so much putty built up, and it's like I'm getting there.
Yeah.
I'm getting
the
it
lean-to sort of building that they had attached to the camper. They used a big strip of tar to go all the way across the whole top one side of the camper to attach this building, and silicone and sealed it all to the side. Philip did so much scraping. I literally pinched and held a razor blade along the side of all the caulking so Chase and I could paint today. Dayton painted the back of the camper. We did so much tedious prep work today just to be able to get some of the visual stuff that we got finished today. It feels like those types of jobs are never ending. And I know that you guys don't want to see every little step, but just know how many hours that we are doing behind the scenes, getting just some of that stuff done that you have no clue that you'll have to do when you purchase an old camper.
Yeah.
And I know that we did purchase one that was from 1986, but there is a lot of caulking and just random stuff attached inside and outside the camper. And so we're really happy that we are making a dent in those projects.
Yeah.
And then Philip also got the interior of the bathroom prep to be able to screw kind of all that stuff back together once he gets the roof all sealed up. We also had a delivery today of a bunch more supplies that we're going to need over the next couple of weeks to do more of our camper renovation. So thank you so much to McNaughton's Home Hardware for your amazing staff, quick delivery, and just amazing setup that you guys had today to be able to keep everybody safe and be able to get some supplies brought. So we're so thrilled. So thank you so much. Big shout out to McNaughton Home Hardware. We love you guys. All right, so we're going to call it a night because we're going to go in and make something for dinner and hang out with the kids and get this video edited and out for you guys. We went to bed last night talking about how amazing you all are and how we're so lucky that we have the best YouTube community ever. Thank you guys so much for the overwhelming support that we've had on this camper series. We love you guys. This is like the best ever, and we're having so much fun doing the camper renovation.
Yeah, it's a blast.
Yeah. So thank you guys so much. We love you guys, and we will see you on our next video.
Bye.
Bye.